Every year, during the third lunar month of the Chinese calendar, the Vegetarian Food Festival takes place in Thailand. There's the extreme version in Phuket, but there's also a peaceful one here in Bangkok. In this video, we will tell you all about the origins of this festival and when and where they celebrate it. If you want to see our other video where we show you what to eat during the festival, please click the link in the description below. The yearly Thesakan Kinjay, the Vegetarian Food Festival, derives from Taoism, an ancient religion from China, because many Chinese people have moved throughout Asia. This event is adapted in Thailand and the surrounding countries. The practitioners of the festival devote themselves to not eat meat for at least 9 days. Many amongst them do not consume any animal products at all. In Bangkok, the festival takes place in the famous Chinatown, home to around 200,000 residents, with many of them having Chinese ancestry. The festival takes place in the third lunar month of the Chinese calendar. In the Roman calendar, dates vary, but mostly takes place in October. The food festival derives from ancient beliefs. The festival is to honor the 9 emperor gods that control the movements of planets and decide over life and death. In popular folklore, their enemies as pirates plotting to overthrow the Qing dynasty. However, religion objects this and honors them as the high-ranking Star Lords. In the 19th century, Chinese opera performers visited Phuket at a time the island fell victim to a malaria plague. The ill-fallen artists began praying to the 9 emperor gods, begged for a purified body and mind, and restricting themselves to eating vegetarian. Amazed by what they saw, the Thai locals celebrated this phenomenon to honor the 9 gods. Grateful for this holy intervention, the Thai people have started the adaptation of what we know as of today as the Thesakan Kinjay. Thai people, especially those with Chinese ancestors, practice Jay. They wear whites and are actively mindful of their actions and thoughts. Those participating will refrain from eating meat to clean their body. Next to that, they cannot kill animals, drink alcohol, lie, steal, having sex, and also gamble during those 9 days. The area around the festival are recognized by yellow, red triangle banners with J, dangling off food stalls and plastered on restaurant windows. Bite-sized veggie dumplings, bowls of steaming noodles, and sweet desserts swimming in coconut milk that you will find everywhere. The largest celebrations are in Bangkok and Phuket, whereas in Chiang Mai, Trang, Krabi, and Chonburi there's a lot happening too. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you have learned something about this festival today. Click here if you want to see our previous video, and click here if you want to know more about us, and click here to go to our website to learn more about our tours. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.